Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Lakeview Car Channel. You'll notice the change of scenery and the change of car. With the COVID-19 and whatnot going on, it's kind of hard to get car parts for the 240. So Dominic wants to work on his MR-2. We're just gonna put in some fog lights and some clear marker lights. And let's get started. All right, so first thing, he wants to change these orange marker lights out for the clear ones that he was holding in his hand. And then the fog lights go...
You have to cut this section out and then they go down in a quarter.
There you go. So if you didn't hear him, he just has to cut out this little bar and then the fog light should pop right in the stock location. So let's go ahead and start doing it. I think you said the markers are really easy. You just pop them out?
Yeah, pop them out with a screwdriver and pretty much change them out. So just take one in there and kind of pry it out. We already had it apart earlier, so we disconnected it already. Pull this out and then grab your new one. And then
That's it? No screws?
they're supposed to be screwed.
All right, so we're just gonna do the other one real quick. Obviously it didn't take that long. Just pull it, dude. Give her a good yank. Oh, okay. That works too.
I just pulled the whole plug out.
Gnarly.
Yeah.
Oops. Oh, that'll pop back in.
Yeah, it'll pop back in.
All right. So he also got clear markers for these guys, but he said they're kind of a pain in the butt to get to.
You have to pull the bumper to, like the inner fender liner to get to them. And plus, I've seen them with the clear lights, and they look kind of cool with the amber side marker lights and the clear turn signals. I might keep them. I don't know. They'll find out later, I guess. Flip off so I can put it back in the car.
Oh, so you can install it the correct way.
Yeah.
Yeah, we might want to do that.
No.
So the way it's supposed to go, slot that side in, and then a little screw.
I do have power tools here.
And that's it. Do you need a power tool for one screw?
Yes.
Really? And then this little guy just pops in the corner. Come on, give her a good shove. There you go. Already looking better.
Turn them on, see what they look like?
Sure. No, go for it. Well, you can't really see them because there's quite a bit of light out here, but turn a turn signal on. How about that? Or hit your flashers. Okay, you still can't really tell, but I think it looks better. It's more noticeable in person.
Look, that marker lights out anyway.
Now we just need some little fog lights over here and we'll be good. All right.
I was using this little saw here, the air-powered saw, to cut the bars of the bumper. Well, I think my air compressor just died.
So a little update on the compressor. We got it to run just fine. We just sprayed the foam intake filter with some oil, and after we got to run a few times, it pulled some oil into the cylinder, helped lubricate it. Just like a motor, needs lubrication. So a little update. We have one of the bars cut out. He's marking the second one. Where'd you put the little cutoff piece?
What?
The cutout piece that you just cut out. Look at this. It has actual cut marks on the factory bumper. So this is pretty much how they did it from the factory. They would just cut the bars out and install the fog lights.
You shut that off?
I shut it off.
right there.
Right on the cut mark. Oh wait.
No, just.
Are you sure it was perfect? Whoa.
Recording? Okay. So the thing with these are aftermarket because the OEM ones are like ridiculous buco bucks. So these are aftermarket ones. So the harness is already run in the car. It's from the factory. So all we have to do is cut these off and then put the factory plugs on, and then, oh, sorry, not the factory plugs. We have to cut the factory harness and put the other side of these plugs on because we don't have the factory plugs. We have, and then we have to put a relay in and put a switch in, and then they're good. So we'll see you guys soon.
Sweet. All right, so since we're done with the compressor and it's pretty much fixed, I'm just gonna put the kit that Dominic bought comes with the fog lights, comes with a really long harness. You can kind of see it right there. For some reason, they expect you to not have the harness in the car, but from what I understand, they all have it, right?
Yeah, every MR-2, whether it's a non-turbo, turbo, automatic, whatever, has the harness, and it has a place in the fuse block, and it has those cut marks. It's a matter of whether or not it has a switch and a relay and the lights. It's all there.
So the kit he bought actually comes with this switch, and he said it even fits in a stock location in the dash. So that's neat. And then
it's not like stock, but there's like punch outs, like
close enough.
Yeah.
So there's a spot in the car for it, and then there's this relay it came with, and he said the relay is supposed to just go in the fuse block, and then we just run some wires to the switch, and that's it, right?
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, I mean the harness is there for the switch too.
Oh my gosh, this Toyotas are too cool. Too cool for school. All right, guys. So it's been a little bit since we last took a clip. He got the turn signals in. He might do the markers because he said they're kind of easy to grab through the fog light holes he cut out. But right now you can see he's in the interior. So he's digging around in there.
See it.
He's looking for the wires for the fog light switch. So we hooked up one fog light right here. So we hooked that up, and before we get too deep and hook up the other one, we're just gonna test this one to make sure it works. So we're just gonna do that real quick, just because it's fun to have progress, you know. So
I had to buy the smallest car I could.
absolutely.
Here's the other one.
Oh, geez. All right, so what did we do, Dominic?
All right, so what we did is we wired up this switch in here. I'm probably gonna get a different switch just because I don't like really the way this one feels. It's kind of cheap, but I mean, got it off eBay, so. But yeah, so I'm just putting the dash back together, and then we gotta wire up that one more fog light, and then it should be all set.
But do she work?
She do. Oh, I turned them on.
Hey, fog lights.
Yeah.
Very cool. All right, let's keep going.
All right, guys, so we finished it up. I think they look pretty good. We're gonna come take a closer look and show them off so you can actually see them. We decided not to put the clear sides in. I probably will eventually, but the bolts and stuff are seized right now, and I'm gonna have to pull the bumper off and do a bunch of stuff. So we decided not for now. But yeah, I'm happy with them. I think they look pretty good.
So guys, that pretty much wraps up the video today. I'm sure you'll see more of this car. We're not done with it. But yeah, so clear turn signals, yellow fog lights, wired it all up in the car the right way, and looks pretty cool. So go ahead and turn the lights on, Tommy. And then turn the barn lights off. Yeah, it looks pretty sweet. Kind of looks like a 300ZX. Also just, you know, in general looks great. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you next time. Thanks.